In this video, I want to show you how to reset your Apple Watch SE3. So to do so, simply press the crown and we need to go into the settings menu. This is the settings icon. Then go down and select General right here. Go all the way down in this menu and you should see Reset. Select Reset. Select Erase all content and settings. And I don't have to remind you, but everything will be deleted. So if you want to resell this watch, or if you have major issues with it, this will delete everything. It will be like a brand new watch. So once you're here, press Erase all content and settings. As it says here, everything will be gone. Go down and select Erase all. You may have to enter the passcode of your watch if you have one, and then the process will start. Usually it takes around a minute or two, and after that you'll be able to set it up as a fresh new Apple Watch SE3. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, leave a like, comment if it worked, comment if it didn't work for any reasons, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.